So this lesson is on multiplying fractions and mixed numbers. Method 1. Number 1, all numbers must be in fraction form, a over b. If they're a mixed number or a whole number, you have to change it into a fraction. I have a video previous to this that shows you how to do that. Then the next step is you multiply across numerator times numerator over denominator times denominator. And when you get your answer, simplify the product. Product is answer to a multiplication problem by using the GCF of the numerator and denominator. So let's do some examples. Let's look at this example. That is called a multiplication dot. So this means 2/3 times 4/5. So if you look at the rules, it says numerator times numerator over denominator times denominator. So I rewrote it like this, 2 times 4 over 3 times 5. Now let's multiply across. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 5 is 15. Now, the last step says simplify the product if needed. So what I did is I wanted to list the factors of 8 and 15. So I did that here. My students know I like doing the factor T. It organizes our work. We always start with the factor 1. 1 times 8 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. 1 times 15 is 15. 3 times 5 is 15. Now I'm going to find what factors they have in common. Let's look at our last example. All numbers must be in fraction form, so I'm going to change them into improper fractions. So I multiplied across, and now I'm going to see if I could simplify early by listing their factors. They have a 1 and a 5 in common, so I know I could divide them both by 5. Now I don't have to actually do any work here because the work is seen here. 70 divided by 5 is 14 over 3. That's